Hello, my name is Tony Smith and I'm Global Head of Financial Services here at Ipsos. In my role, I'm fortunate to be able to speak with many clients and colleagues around the world about the issues and challenges that financial providers are facing. And it's fascinating to see both the differences and similarities by country and by region. Of course, a big focus at the moment is on the issue of reputation. How do financial services companies rebuild trust, reputation and customer engagement in the current environment, especially as many people blame the banks for causing the economic crisis in the first place? There are obviously many other issues that financial companies are grappling with. Customer profitability in a low interest rate environment, how to make the most of branch networks as more and more consumers use remote channels, and of course, how to differentiate from competitors, whether that be in branding, customer service, or in creating differentiated products and services. Having this view from around the world helps me to work with others in Ipsos to shape our thinking to tackle the many issues that financial companies are facing. As a business, we're ideally positioned to help financial companies solve these and other research challenges, whether here in the UK or internationally through our network of offices in 84 countries. We're structured according to research areas of expertise, specialised business units that focus on developing best practice tools and techniques in areas such as understanding customer loyalty and experience, brand and advertising evaluation, or in corporate reputation, to name just a few. Our financial services researchers work with these specialist teams to tailor and apply our tools to the specific needs of the financial industry. These specialised business units exist in the UK, and we also have a dedicated team of over 20 financial researchers who work with these specialists to solve clients' problems. Now, thinking about the UK specifically for a moment, a unique area for us in the UK is our multi-client programs. Let me give you a few examples. We have syndicated surveys among both business and financial journalists and personal financial journalists. These studies enable our clients to understand the relationships that they have with the media, which is clearly an important stakeholder group. We also have Captains of Industry, a study that we've been running now at Ipsos MORI for the last 30 years. This examines the reputation of organisations in the eyes of the most senior business people in Britain. And we also have our Business Elite Survey, which covers the media and consumption habits of key decision makers worldwide. Around 60% of respondents to this survey are C-suite business people. And with over 23,000 interviews globally, this is a hugely valuable resource used by many advertisers, agencies and media owners for planning purposes among this very affluent and influential group. One of our major focuses at the moment is in the area of mobile payments. Clearly a huge growth area, and it's important not only for financial services companies, but also for handset manufacturers and networks, and of course retailers, all of whom need to know how ready consumers are for this. Are people aware of what they can do? Are they interested? What are the likely barriers to adoption, and who would they be expecting to offering the service? This year, we launched the Ipsos Global Mobile Payment Study specifically to answer these and other important questions. And you can find out about all of these surveys on these web pages. Outside of the UK, we have other large dedicated financial teams in key markets including France, the US and Canada, Brazil and Mexico, and Hong Kong, Singapore and mainland China. In all, Ipsos works with over 500 clients and their subsidiaries around the globe. At Ipsos, we want to bring our combined knowledge and expertise to benefit our clients, and so to do this, we've established a Global Financial Services Centre of Excellence. And this has two primary aims. Firstly, to enable our clients to access the best of Ipsos in addressing their research needs wherever they may be. And we do this through connecting our financial research experts globally, sharing experiences, good and bad, and learning from these experiences to develop best practice based on what works. And secondly, we're working with our specialist business units to adapt and develop innovative research tools specifically for the financial services industry. Many research tools are developed for consumer packaged goods. And while we can learn from this, as financial specialists, we know there are differences in researching financial markets. For example, the longer purchase cycle, the often remote relationship between the company and customer, and the intermediated relationship in some quarters. Creating research techniques that work in financial services is uppermost in our thinking. Through our global centre of excellence, our community of financial experts worldwide, and our specialist business units dedicated to loyalty, advertising and brand, product innovation, qualitative and other areas, our aim is to serve the specific needs of financial clients wherever and whatever they may be. Now, I hope that this has given you a flavour for what we at Ipsos can bring in financial services, both here in the UK and around the globe. So please do get in touch. We'd love to discuss your challenges further.